warranty information, and safety instructions. GoPro Hero 6 comes with the same 1220 milliamp hour battery that Hero 5 came with. Then you get a mount and USB-C cable. GoPro comes with this frame mount that blocks the product model. So if you have Hero 5 and 6 next to each other, it's not easy to tell them apart. Even when you take it off the frame mount, it's not easy to read that 6, which looks very much like a 5. Physically, there really is no difference between Hero 5 and 6. So your Hero 5 underwater housing will work with Hero 6. But I wish at least they changed the color, to black. But Nick Woodman works in mysterious ways. GoPro Hero 6 gave me a couple of problems in the very beginning. But then we became good friends. I didn't record this video. I mean, mostly. This printer shoots 4K 60 frames per second in H.265. In other words, high efficiency video calling. Actually, it doesn't stop there. It can shoot 2.7K in 120 frames per second. 2.7K 4:3 aspect ratio in 60 frames per second, and 1080p in 240 frames per second in HEVC. But it shoots 4K 60 frames per second in 60 to 78 megabits per second. To put that in perspective, iPhone 8 shoots 4K 60 frames per second in 100 megabits per second. And this new 4K Plus shoots 4K 60 frames per second in 135 megabits per second. And this is almost $200 cheaper than GoPro Hero 6. Megabits per second is important when it comes to editing. It gives you flexibility. Compared to GoPro Hero 5, as you can see on the left, Hero 6's image quality is, how shall I put this? Actually, I'm not going to say anything. I want you to tell me what you think. Either vote or drop a line in the comment section below. Needless to say, this footage is not edited at all. This is exactly what came out of the camera. Now what you're seeing is Hero 6 versus G4K Plus. If you buy G4K Plus, by the way, without the waterproof